Good morning and welcome to the fourth edition of the Open Factory at Davi headquarters. As we previously did, we will show you our workshops in Italy, where we manufacture both machines ready for delivery and customized machines on the requirements of the customers. Here, in this workshop where we manufacture our giants, heavy-duty machines, now you can see two customized machines, an MAV, 3 rolls with variable axis, and an MCB, 4-roll machines, 2 plate rolls for a giant project for a leading player in the wind energy sector and in particular for offshore foundations. Here we are in the workshop where we manufacture the small duty machines. Normally we have MCA machines that are 4-roll plate rolls for low thickness, but in the last few months we are also manufacturing some MCE machines that are the e-power line, the fully electric plate rolls we launched in the market some months ago. We can see that, as it's usual for our manufacturing plant here in Italy, we have some machines that are ready for delivery, like the ones here that are MCA, 3 meter long, 2 meter long, and some customized machines like the one right there with the overhead support and the in-feed conveyor, where we tested some parts for the client that will come here in Italy for the final acceptance test. You can also see some MCE machines in the back. We are manufacturing those machines that are now ready for delivery as all the other models we have in our range. As the last step of this Open Factory, we are now in the workshop where we manufacture medium and heavy duty machines, mainly MAV, 3-roll with variable axis, and MCB, 4-roll plate rolls. Anyway, we would like to start with this MCO, another model, a 3-roll double pinch, and this in particular is a special machine, 7-meter plate roll for a North American client. Now you will see some MCB and MAV machines. You will see that we have ready for delivery machines with no accessories, so standalone machines, but we also have a warehouse full of standard accessories, overhead support, side supports, that are also ready for delivery. So you can ask for a machine that is standalone, but also for accessories that we can mount prior to the final delivery. Here, for example, we have an MCB with 2 side supports that the client has purchased for his special requirements. But we would like to conclude this tour with this MCB N30, so an MCB medium duty machine, where we rolled here in our headquarters a 50 millimeters plate. A client came here in our headquarters, we rolled for him this plate and we showed all the capacities of this machine, and they finally decided to buy the machine that is not available anymore. Anyhow, as you have seen, we have always dozens of machines ready for delivery. Today you saw only plate rolls, MCA, MCE, MCB and MAV mainly. They are always ready for delivery here in our headquarters. We also have a lot of machines at our dealers' showrooms all around the world. So you only have to contact us and ask all the details about these machines.